know if you know this, but these videos that kids binge watch on YouTube rack up millions and even billions of views. And these channels are generating millions of dollars. Let me say this again. These faceless kid videos are generating millions of dollars every single year for the owners. Just like this YouTube channel right here that creates animated content for kids. It's literally racking up millions of views daily, and according to Social Blade, they are making close to $2 million per year just from the views on this single YouTube channel. This channel, Fairy Tales and Stories for Kids, is another example of the same type of animated videos that are getting millions of views, posting animated stories based on popular movies with a voiceover behind them. According to Social Blade, this channel makes over $500,000 per year. And this is the money that these channels are making just from the views. I don't know if you guys know this, but kids spend more time watching YouTube videos all day than even adults do. And more views equals more money. There are tons of other YouTube channels and accounts across social media just like these, racking up millions of views with these same type of animated story videos and making thousands of dollars monthly. And if they can do it, why can't you? You can start making videos just like these without having any animation skills yourself, without showing your face, and you can also completely automate this income stream so you can also start making thousands of dollars with these YouTube videos. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start doing this today. And with the skills that you're gonna learn today, and with using some different power of AI tools, it has never been an easier or better time to start. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Now let's get right into this video. Now, the first thing that I always do is I need to brainstorm, and I'm not gonna just come up with these creative ideas on my own because I'm not a mom yet and I'm not really sure what kids are really wanting. So I'm gonna head over to ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, give me some unique kid-friendly animated stories, related topics to create YouTube videos for kids. And now we have tons of video topic ideas here. And I noticed some of these are actually giving different age groups, which is really good to keep in mind who our actual target audience is, because there's lots of different ages of kids. So let's be more specific with the ChatGPT AI and ask it, give me some unique kid-friendly animated stories, related topics to create YouTube videos for kids ages 4 to 7. So let's just look through these ideas. I really love animals and I'm always drawn to like animal related videos, and I believe kids are too. And I just thought this idea seemed so adorable. So now we can copy and paste this prompt from ChatGPT, or just copy and paste whatever prompt you like here. And then we're already ready for our next step. Now there's 2 options available to create these animated videos. So let me go over both of these methods, and then we're gonna actually do the most efficient one, which is gonna be easier for you as a beginner. So the first method is by combining 3 different free online tools together. You're able to create cute characters like this using Canva, animate those characters using this Meta AI tool called Animated Drawings, and then you can generate the AI voiceovers using 11 Labs, and then combine all of these manually edited together. Now, to be honest, I've tried this method and it does take a long time, sometimes hours, to create just one video. Although this does work and you can start generating videos from this method, I do think that you really do kind of need to combine a lot of creative aspects and your own creative thinking to really make those videos come together. So what I did was I actually did some more digging and I found this second method, which is by using this one single platform. And I have showed you guys this on my YouTube channel before. It's called InVideo AI. And what this does is you're able to create unique animated videos in minutes by just typing in one simple text prompt. And this AI will create a full-blown animated video for you in minutes. This is actually a new animated feature that InVideo AI has that nobody else has on the market right now to this capability. It's actually crazy how AI can actually now generate full videos for you. All of these videos that you're seeing right now is completely generated by AI. These are not non-copyrighted stock clips. These are all AI generated clips. So you can try this out for free. I put the link in my description box down below for you guys. So click that link, make sure you sign up through that link, and let's get started. So after you click the link in my bio, the first thing that you're gonna see is this box right here that asks you to type in a topic and instructions into the box. So now that we're here, we're gonna just copy and paste the ChatGPT idea that we saved right here into this box. So we are gonna create a 3-minute animated video about Wobbly the Wonder Whale. We have our story concept here, our theme, target age, which is 4 to 7 years old. And I'm also just adding use high-pitched kid-friendly woman voiceover as well, because I just want it to sound like super kid-friendly and just like fun. And the more detailed you make this and specific the prompt is, the better the video is gonna be. Just make sure that you guys are on the generative AI v3 option here, because it is different than the usual in-video AI format that I've used in previous videos. So now you will see that our video is being generated. So as the AI is working, you can sign up here and make an account. It's free to sign up. I already have one, but if you want to make yours, you can make that here. So now that our video is done, let's see what the AI made for us. Wow, it is so crazy that the AI made this video so fast and so detailed, and it's so adorable. I'm already so obsessed with this Wobbly the Whale AI character that we literally generated in minutes.
Meet Wobbly, the whale with a wiggly tail. He dreamed of being the fastest swimmer in the ocean, but his wobbly tail made it hard to swim straight.
So what's awesome about this is you can change anything you want about this video. And what's even cooler is AI even will change it for you. So you don't have to even do really any extra work. So if you see, there's this edit command box right here underneath here. So here you can make different types of edits just using one simple command. So let me just show you how this works. So for example, you can ask for the voice to be higher pitched or more kid friendly, or even add your cloned voice. You can ask the AI to generate new animated clips in the video and swap them out. And you can even change the language of the video. So say you want to start a Spanish channel for kids. You can easily ask the AI here to just change the language of the video to Spanish, and it will do that for you. So if you just type in convert the video to Spanish or whatever language you want, it will literally convert this video into that language. Just make sure that you only use one language on your YouTube channel. If you don't like the clips being used or you want to change some clips around, you can alter the script right here and actually change which clips are being used. So in order to use this editing tool, all you have to do is just select which clip you want to change. Then you're gonna just scroll over to generative media, click generative media, and it will pull up a bunch of more generated clips for you that you can use. Select the one that fits with your story to swap it out. Then just click proceed. Then just click save changes. When you're done with the video, you can come up here and just click download, and you can download and upload this video to YouTube. Now, of course, you can put these videos together yourself, but it's probably not gonna be as high quality as this, and it's not gonna be as easy as this was. So it's really saving you a lot of time. And again, I did put the link for this tool right in the top of my description box for you guys' convenience. So let's just talk about this really quick. You can try InVideo AI for free, but if you do want to use this new AI generative capability, it does have a monthly fee. So I actually bought the one that is $96 a month. This is the plan that allows you to make these generative AI fully animated videos. And if you're already using InVideo AI for other projects that are not the AI animated ones, you can actually just go to the add-on section and get generative seconds here. And as you guys know, this is a little bit more expensive than the usual InVideo AI features, just because this is something that, again, like nobody really has out on the market right now. So it's super exclusive, which really allows you guys to jump in and actually take advantage of this before it becomes more and more popular throughout maybe other AI apps through the next year. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the thumbnail for this video. Because remember guys, the thumbnail is almost as important as the actual video itself. It literally gets the viewers to click on it, so it's so important. So the easiest way to get a thumbnail out of these animated videos is you'll see that the video is saved right here on your computer or on your phone if you're using your phone. And literally you can just screenshot the best part of the video. So I'm on my laptop, so I love like this intro here, and I just click Shift Command 4, drag this over, and it's now screenshotted. Then you can jump on YouTube, create a new channel, which you can do in minutes, upload the video, select your custom thumbnail, and this video is ready to go. Shorts is another great way to grow on YouTube, so you can actually crop shorts out of these same videos as well and post them as shorts. So even though you're actually generating one long form video, which is the most important, by the way, because you make most money from your long form videos, you can then take that long form video and actually put it in CapCut or put it in another editor, and you can edit those clips up and use them to create shorts for free. But again, you make most of your money from long form videos, so that should always be your focus, but it is a good growth hack. If you don't already know, this is called YouTube automation. And I actually created an entire free course about it on my YouTube channel, so definitely make sure you guys watch that full free course so you can learn every single thing about growing a successful YouTube channel. I'll link that free course for you guys right down in the description box down below, or you can find it on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you all the best with your YouTube automation journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.